Using Zillow Rental Manager simplifies the process of listing and managing rental properties. Here's a concise guide to get you started. Create an account. Visit the Zillow Rental Manager website. Sign up for an account using your email address or login if you already have one. List your property. Click on Add a property and enter the property address. Fill in the property details, including the number of bedrooms, bathrooms, rent amount, and lease terms. Add high-quality photos and a detailed description to attract potential tenants. Set up rent payments. Navigate to the payment section. Connect your bank account to enable online rent collection. Set up recurring payment options for tenants. Screen tenants. Use Zillow's tenant screening services to conduct background and credit checks. Request applications from interested tenants and review their information. Manage listings. Monitor inquiries and communicate with potential tenants through the platform. Update listing information and photos as needed to keep the listing current. Track payments and maintenance requests. Use the dashboard to track rent payments and manage maintenance requests. Keep a record of all transactions and communications for reference.